What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on the render token, or RNDR. I think you all know the main reason for us to do another update on this is actually because it got listed on Coinbase. So that's actually great. It's not here right now, but that doesn't really matter. So yeah, I mean, I've said it quite a couple of times already. I think the project is great, and now that it gets listed on Coinbase, I mean, obviously that brings a lot of volume and potential to go up again. Volume is up to 150 million, 21.5% of the market cap. That's really high. So yeah, I actually think that Coinbase listed a couple of great coins. Quantstamp was great. I just did an analysis on that. Render token, I think it's a good choice. And Aventus, it has potential. It's relatively low market cap. I mean, they might have paid quite a bit to be listed on it, but still, not a bad crypto to add. I believe it's another like layer 2 protocol on Ethereum, and it's more based for, or it's more created for enterprises and businesses. This, by the way, is the Discord. The link is down in the description. So yeah, let's actually do this analysis, see where it can go. See, the difficult part of this analysis is that render token was already quite bullish, and most of the times a listing on Coinbase makes the price go up, but the render token is already quite an established token, and as I said, we already had quite a lot of bullish momentum up, and I'm just not sure if there's enough to actually get it up again. So yeah, before we get into the analysis, first two quick disclaimers. First one being that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. So if any big fundamental event or fundamental move happens, then please forget about the analysis, because frankly fundamentals are still stronger than technicals. And second of all, this whole analysis is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. If you want to use it for your research, be my guest, but do not solely rely on it. So yeah, as I said, it will be quite tough to actually go up even more. Here it touched the 4.33 level, which is quite a strong resistance level. And those are also the levels we were at before all those bearish fundamental things happened. So the main technical condition or catalyst for me to actually consider that we could go higher is to break 3.75, 3.78. If we do manage to close above that, then I actually think that we can get higher, or a little bit higher, at least up to those levels we reached, we reached before. Wow. So then we would probably find some resistance at around $4, a little bit higher at 4.08. Take a break retest off of that 3.78, and in my opinion it would still be valid then, as long as we break that level, to take a break retest a little bit lower at around 3.65, 3.58, and from there I actually think we can trend up to at least 4.35 again, but we might even reach something like 4.55, 4.5. That's also more psychological resistance level, and as you can see here, it's also quite a strong normal key level. So I think it is possible, but as I said, we need to break that 3.75, 3.78. If we don't, so if we do find resistance right here at 3.57, which is a strong key level, or 3.66, which is another strong key level, at least that full level, a little bit above it as well, then I think it is more likely that we actually drop down a little bit. So first of all to 3.25, but ultimately I think we're dropping down to the regions around $3. So the full level would be $3 up until 2.85, and I do think that will hold, and I do think that from there we'll quite quickly start up another uptrend, but we might actually need to drop down before we actually get into another uptrend again, just because as I said, there are quite a few strong resistance levels above it, and I think a lot of the momentum is just out of the price already. I mean, we had a very big move right here, or a very big bearish move right there, a big dump of render tokens. So yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be great for all the Coinbase people buying render token just because they like the project and it's got listed on Coinbase. But it might be good for the long term, you know, some calming down in the price and stuff. So yeah, That's basically my analysis. As I said, I don't think this necessarily has to happen. There's another scenario as well, but there are some strict conditions for it, in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically my analysis. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.